So today we're going to be doing a galaxy pour. These are the colors that I'm going to use. The first one is Master's Touch Rouge, Artist Loft Metallic Red, Blick Acrylic White, Artist Loft Metallic Green, Leaf Green, and Master's Touch Pthalo Scene or Pthalo Blue. The black is Blick Mars Black. First thing we're going to do is cover the canvas with black paint. Because we're doing a very dark pour, we want to make sure that our canvas isn't going to show any of this super white canvas, so we're going to cover, and don't mind the blue that I accidentally knocked over. One thing I failed to mention is my pouring medium is 1 part Liquitex Pouring Medium because I wanted it to be shiny at the end so I don't have to put a top coat on it. 1 part glue, just Elmer's Glue All, although it's not my 70-30 mix, it's just straight Elmer's Glue All. And then 1 part water. Then I mixed each of these paints up so that it was a thin consistency. If you haven't seen my video about the consistencies of paint, in this case it comes off and makes no mound, just integrates right with the paint. So we're going to start mixing. I'm going to do a dirty pour, and I'm going to use about half of the remaining of my paint, which is probably 2-3 ounces. There's my dirty pour cup. I'm going to just pour the rest of my black onto the canvas. Now I can tell already I probably have 4 or 5 ounces too much of paint here. Alright, so there's 2 ways to do this. One, we don't want solid colors on a galaxy pour. We kind of want them to look like a nebula and kind of can be mixed around. You can do that in 2 ways. You can pour really fast. Pouring really fast causes the energy that the paint has to mix as it's pouring. Or you can pour really high. Both work. In this case, I'm going to pour from a little bit higher up because I want the paint to go into the black and kind of move off to the sides and give us kind of a semi-open pour cup type look. So again, we're just going to go really high here. Now pouring from on high or pouring quickly causes a lot of these bubbles, which is fine for at least the galaxy pours that I do because I want a little bit of randomness happening. So we'll just torch out those bubbles. So I like to do these painting from so high up so I get that kind of nebula look, which I will show you in just a second here. Normally I don't do ribbons on this, but you know, sometimes you gotta change it up a little bit. But this is really like, see how it's kind of showing the colors one on top of the other, kind of layered with a little bit of transparency. That's what I really like about doing a pour like this and getting the beautiful results that you see here.